We saved the best for last, probably the place I spend more time in than anywhere, and that's the kitchen. And you know, if I'm redoing the kitchen, there is only one place, and that's Northeast Factory. You can see my man Angelo behind me right now measuring away. We'll go in, pick out the stuff, design the kitchen, and then boom, it is delivered, it is brand new, and it's Northeast Factory Direct, so you know you save a lot of money. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the design that Angelo and I have agreed upon, and we're going to just finalize that and pick out our cabinets. So, Ange, where are we at?
Well, what I want to do is go through and kind of show you what's in each cabinet.
So here's what we're going with. We're going with this granite. This is called what?
Cold Spring.
Cold Spring. That's going up with our cabinets. That's espresso maple. And we went with this backsplash. How do you think the trio works?
Well, I think you got a good combination here, Riz.
Well, after weeks of planning, my kitchen design, picking out the cabinets, granite, and more, today is the day when the work actually starts here in the kitchen. My contractor Bob and his crew are here. They're getting out the old cabinets. It's out with the old and in with the new. What do I always tell you about Northeast Factory's cabinets? Better than the rest. In fact, everything Consumer Reports says our high-end features come standard on these cabinets like soft close. Look at how beautiful the espresso maple. We're so excited. It takes a couple of weeks and the process takes some time, but in the end, it's so worth it. My wife and I could not be happier for this brand new kitchen. I just want to say thanks, Ange. Great job. I trusted you implicitly and you delivered. And Alex, come on, man, what can I say? Look, folks, I tell you all the time you can have this done. I actually had it done, and it's even better than I imagined. Northeast Factory Direct. East side, west side, now south side.